Hey guys, how you doing? It's James here, and we are going to talk about some air purifiers. We're going to be doing a couple of minute kind of research about which one is my personal favorite. I did an earlier video, which one might be best for you. So this one is kind of me sharing my personal opinion. First of all, I want to talk about this one, but it really can't be my favorite. As much as I love the Dyson technology, we are talking about air purifiers here. So to be clear, this is not an air purifier. It is a very cool fan. It sucks the air out from the bottom into the machine. And then once it's on, it's rotating, blowing air around the room, but you can set it for a hot and cool setting. So that is pretty cool. I like that. It's the Dyson Hot Cool AM09 model. And I like the design I always did with Dyson. I still don't know how they actually do it, but it blows quite strong and you can choose hot or cool air. So that's a really quick one. Which one is my favorite is the subject here. So I'm gonna really focus on the two air purifiers right in front of me right here, okay? They are both the same brand, the Winix, right? Over here we got the Winix 5520 and the Winix 5510, okay? Real quickly, if you hadn't had a chance to see, imagine all the air in the room. There's a fan that's getting all that air in the room very easily. Notice how simple it is to take that cover off. I love that. So I can see the filter. This first filter, very fine mesh. I don't know if you can see closely enough, but it does catch a lot of particles. Then it has to go through a carbon filter, which has been proven to get, you know, bacteria or whatever's in the air a little bit better than a HEPA filter. So whatever air goes in here, I guarantee you, if it's coming out here, it's gonna be clean. After it goes through the HEPA filter, after it goes through the carbon filter, and it goes through the screen as well. So that's where it is. And you know, this is a cover. It's not really designed to be much of a screen, but the key difference here is this has a vertical lines for design. That's the 5510. And the way you can tell them apart, the 5520 from Winix has a kind of a crisscross front, a little more textured look to it. So again, it's not a huge difference. Same style of filtration system, air gets sucked in through the top. This section's called Which One Is My Favorite? You know, I'm just gonna go straight to it and let you know that obviously I'm gonna want the 5520. It sounds like it's an upgraded model of the 5510, which was a perfectly good air purifier, but sometimes, you know, manufacturers have to create options, right? So I guess this would be like a base model. This one is just a little bit better, okay? Now what makes it better? Apparently it covers a slightly larger square footage area when you're doing any kind of air purifying, so that's important. The second thing that's important, when you're on the app, they're both Wi-Fi connected, right? So you're on the app controlling the device from anywhere, and you can actually see there are a few more features on this one. Both of them have plasma waves, so it doesn't just blow the air consistently like a fan. It kind of comes and goes, and therefore the whole room gets completely circulated, not just a patterned circle of steady air. So they're both really cool technology, but you know, this section is supposed to be called Which One Is My Personal Favorite. So of course I'm gonna go for the upgraded, better model, the 5520. Right? The Apple 15, the Apple 16, we all want the latest version, and why is it better? So this one would be my personal favorite. I'll let you guys make up your mind. I'm gonna come back real quick with a short video talking about the differences in these three devices, but specifically I'm gonna focus on this one. You guys have a great day. Good luck with your decision.